Once logged in, click on My Servers and click on the server you created earlier. Don't worry, creating server is as easy as click and choose. I didn't show this part because I already bought my servers before creating this video. Now we need to add website or application on that server. Choose WordPress, give it a name, project can be any, and click Add Application. You will have to wait here a bit, so be patient. While application is being created, go to your domain name register and add your IP address. Choose your domain and click Manage. Delete any previous values, if any, and just create a record for the IP address. Make sure to copy correct IP address from Cloudways. Paste the IP address and click Save. Check if the process of adding application is done. We cannot do anything before this part is finished. Now back on Cloudways, we have to add that same domain name and make it primary. That's it. Now we need to enable SSL for the website. Now open your domain in New tab and see your new website. And it's live. Great. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.